It doesn't matter where you go in the world, there's always an area of that place which is quiet and tranquil. Lots of forest and woodlands around here, and we should also see the coastline as well. It's always good to get your heart pumping first thing in the morning. Here we go, it's time to climb all of these steps to get the views of the city. All the locals come in for the morning jog and walk. And yes, more steps to climb. Lots and lots of steps to climb, but you've got to do this to get the views. Do you know what the most annoying thing is? When you look at the steep climb that you've just walked up on camera and it doesn't look as steep as it is. Out of breath. But starting to see some coastline now. Loads of drinking water on the trails. You can see here it's really fresh. I've just had a taste. Isn't that just beautiful? Nobody around, just me and the nature. I don't want to sound like a hippie, but I love these walks, and the reason being is they just give me time to think and reflect. It's one of the things that I love about being a long-term traveller and remote worker. A few people have said to me recently, Darren, your videos will be so much better if they had music, and I totally disagree, because I watch so many vlogs and all you see is the place, the person eating food with music on top. There's no commentary, there's no, well, you don't get to hear what the place is like. Oh dear, we've got more steps. Oh, here we go. Actually, before we go up the steps, I've just noticed this little pathway. And sometimes it's better to go off the beaten path. I'm not too sure what these trees are here. If anybody knows, let me know. It is now time to walk up these 6 million steps. Oh my god. I'm sure there's a quote. It's not the race, it's the journey. Maybe I just made that up. Maybe that's my new quote. You really can't hear a thing. All you can hear is the distant hum of the boats. Okay, we have two options. We either follow this path around the coastline, or we walk more steps. Never ever give in when you've got goals in life. Keep going, keep battling until you get there. Are we at the top yet? Not quite, but nearly. Wow, look at those views. And I think there's more steps, but we're near the top, guys. We're nearly there. I'm at the top and there's literally nobody here at all. And over there in the distance you can just make out, I don't know if you will on camera, the football stadium. Also a little bit of an industrial area as well, and then you've got the mountains. I'm not sure what mountain range that is. And sadly the sun is in the wrong position for this shot, but the old town is literally just down there. We've walked all the way up. What an achievement that is. I was just chatting to a local guy walking his dog, and apparently we are 156 metres up from sea level. You cannot beat a 2-hour walk in the morning. It's currently 10:15. Not had my breakfast yet, but I've really enjoyed this walk. Well, explorers, I'm going to leave the video here for today. I hope you've enjoyed this walk around Split in Croatia. Now I'm going to go for my breakfast. If you want to follow me behind the scenes, go and check out my Instagram profile for daily videos. See you soon.